previous video, you have learned that about the properties of rational numbers. Today, we are going to solve the problems regarding the rational numbers, and we are going to see the application form of the rational numbers here. So, you can have the textbook before you in order to solve the problems. Without the textbooks, you cannot solve these problems. So, take your textbooks of the exercise 1.1 of the rational numbers. Now, we are going to solve those problems of the first bit now. In the first bit, name the property involved in the following examples. So, just for this, I orally explain you for this bit, and for the other problems, I will make you to solve. In the first bit, see here, first one, 8 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 8 by 5 is equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. As there is involvement of 0, you are getting the, I think you can recall the formula that a plus 0 is equal to a. So, a plus 0 is equal to a, and you can see this is additive element. 0 is the additive element. So, identity additive identity. It is additive identity. Next, for the second one, if you go for 2 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. See here, 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 5. Sorry, 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. Here we observe one multiplication and one addition is involved here. It means nothing but I already informed you in the distributive property, the addition and multiplication are distributed. So, by seeing here we can confirm that distributive property of addition over multiplication. Similarly, the third one, if you see 3 by 7 into 1. So, from your learned classes, 1 is the multiplicative identity. So, it is the multiplicative identity property. So, you can go for the remaining problems, and if you see the seventh problem here, 7 by a plus of minus 7a is equal to 0. So, two similar elements are added, you are getting the additive element 0. Nothing but additive inverse. So, this by the formula a plus of minus a is equal to 0. We can say this is additive inverse. So, you can solve for the remaining problems in the similar way. Now, the second bit we solve for the second bit. So, write the additive and multiplicative inverses of the following. The first one we shall see minus 3 by 5. So, for this the solution additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. What is the rule for the additive inverse? The something should be added to get the additive identity. So, minus 3 by 5. So, for this we can become the additive inverse is the plus 3 by 5. If we add plus 3 by 5 to the minus 3 by 5, we'll get the 0. So, now multiplicative inverse. Not to get the multiplicative inverse, what I informed you? You should get the multiplicative identity 1. So, what should be multiplied minus 3 by 5 to get the 1? It becomes the minus 5 by 3. For the rough one, I am showing here minus 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 3. 3 gets cancelled, 5 gets cancelled, minus into minus 1, it is the multiplicative identity. That's why the multiplicative inverse becomes the minus 5 by 3. Next, for the third problem 0, additive identity is 0 and additive inverse is 0 and the multiplicative inverse. Is there any digit that involved that should be multiplied with 0 to get 1? So, there is no digit in the universe to get the value of 1 with the multiplication with the 0. That is, so you can write it undefined. Next, third bit. Fill up the blanks. Here you are involved with the fill up the blanks here. So, minus 1 by 17 plus dash is equal to minus 12 by 5 plus of minus 1 by 17. In the question itself, the answer involves here. So, what is the left of value here with the minus 1 by 17? Minus 12 by 5. What is the property involved here? Nothing but the commutative property. Next, for the second problem, minus 2 by 3. What should be added here to get the minus 2 by 3 again? I think you know very well here it is nothing but 0. If you add the 0 only, we get the again the same value here. Next, third one. 1 into dash is equal to 9 by 11 is a very simple answer. What should be multiplied with 1 to get the again the same value is nothing but the same value. Here nothing but the 9 by 11. Answer is 9 by 11 and it is the multiplicative identity. Next, fourth one is the associative property. A plus of B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So here if you observe here minus 12 plus bracket 5 by 6 plus 6 by 7 is equal to minus 12 plus 5 by 6. The answer left off is in the question itself. Nothing but 6 by 7 is the solution. Similarly, the fifth one, it's the distributive property. Now the sixth one, minus 16 by 7 plus dash is equal to minus 16 by 7. What should be added to 16 by 7 to get the minus 16 by 7? It's nothing but the additive identity is the 0 itself. Now, we shall go for the word problems of the page number 20 in the next page. The fourth problem. Children, whatever the problems that are living and here, you have to solve by your own. If you have any doubts, you can contact me in my WhatsApp group. I can help you in solving those problems. First of all, before asking me, you have to try yourself. Then only you get the perfection of the topic. Now the fourth problem here. Multiply 2 by 11 by the reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. So, 2 by 11 reciprocal of minus 5 by 14. Reciprocal of minus 5 by 14 is nothing but minus 14 by 5. So, answer is that we have to make the multiplication is equal to 2 by 11 into minus 14 by 5. First of all, we have to observe here any cancellation possible here with the numerator to denominator. Here, all those are co-primes to each other. That's why there is no possibility of cancellation. Then make the solution. 2 into minus 14 becomes minus 28 and have to multiply the denominators as well. It becomes 11 5 is 55. Here also the cancellation not possible. Here the solution ends here. Now, fifth solution. Which properties can be used in computing the given problem? 2 by 5 into 5 into 7 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 into 4 by 11. So, we shall see what the properties involved here while solving this problem. We are given an expression here. So, first of all, I am going to solve whatever left off in the brackets. 2 by 5 into 5 into 7. Nothing in the denominator means it becomes 1. 5 7s are 35 by 6 plus 1 by 3 into 3 4s are 12 by 11. I am using up the closure property of multiplication. Next, now I can multiply directly with whatever here present here. 2 into 35, 70 by 5 6 are 30 plus 1 12s are 12 plus 3 11s are 33. We can cancel before the here or we can cancel it here also. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 3 4s are 3 11s are. Again I am using the same property here. Closure property of multiplication. So now the solution becomes 7 by 3 plus 4 by 11. Now we have to go for the LCM addition. So here the LCM becomes 33. Why it becomes 33? Why we can't make the LCM here? Here because 3, 11 are co-friends to each other because they do not have common factors to each digits. So 3 goes 11 times for 33. 11 into 7 plus 11 goes 3 times 3 into 4. So 3 goes 11 times. 11 into 7 plus 11 goes 3 times 3 into 4. So 11 7 are 77 plus 3 4s are 12 by 33. I am using the property closure under addition. So make the addition 77 plus 12. 89 by 33. Again 89 is a prime number. So we cannot make the cancellation of the problem is finished here. Now, I am going to solve for the 8th bit. Eighth bit solution. Subtract second one. So I will take the third one, 8th bit third one. Minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. So we have to subtract the minus 7 from minus 4 by 7. So what should be come in the friend? We have to make the subtraction of this integer. So we have to take the rational number this here first. So minus 7 minus of minus 7. Minus 4 by 7 minus of minus 7. It becomes minus 4 by 7 minus into minus plus. It becomes 7. So as the denominator does not exist, we should keep here the 1. Now take the LCM of 7 comma 1. It becomes 7 ones are 7. Now 7 goes 1 time. 1 into minus 4 plus 1 goes 7 times, then 7 into 7. So 1 into minus 4 becomes minus 4 plus 49 by 4. Plus into minus becomes minus 49 minus 4 is become the 45. So what is the symbol we have to keep here? Either minus or plus. Then you get it out here. As the amount is 4 and 49. 49 is the bigger digit, bigger number, not the digit. So before that you have the symbol plus. Then here it will be having the plus itself. So no need to keep a symbol sign here. It becomes 45 by 4 and both are the co-primes and we cannot make the cancellation here. Now the problem gets finished. Now, and children, you have to solve the remaining problems whatever I left for you. The ninth solution. What number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? He is asking what numbers. The numbers are unknown here. So the unknown number is, let us consider x. Let number is equal to x. So according to the solution, according to the problem, the solution is that minus 5 by 8 plus x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So according to this, we have to find out the value of x. Now, I require the value of x. So whatever the left off before x, it should be removed here. So by cancellation process, x is equal to minus 3 by 2 and transforming this minus 5 by 8 to right hand side, it becomes plus 5 by 8. Now take the LCM. 2, comma 8. Children, observe here I am making the LCM here, but before this problems I did not took the LCM, I directly multiplied here. Why I am taking the 2, comma 8 LCM here is nothing but they are having the common factors for the 2, comma 8. So go for this 2 1s are 2 4s are. Continue again until you get the prime numbers. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 goes 4 times. 4 into minus 3 plus 8 goes 1 time. 1 into 5. Minus 12 plus 5 by 8. So minus 12 plus 5, it becomes 7. Is it minus 7 or plus 7? Among the two digits minus 12 and 5, 12 is the bigger one. Before the 12 you have the minus symbol, take plus minus. So minus 7 by 8 is the solution. So what is this? It is nothing but the x, the unknown number. Therefore minus 7 by 8 is added. This is the solution regarding this problem. Now for the next problem, I'll give a clue for this. You have to solve on your own. The sum of two rational numbers is 8. If one of the numbers is minus 5 by 8, find the other. He is saying that two numbers are added to get the value. This is the 10th one. To get 8. Among this it is given that minus 5 by 6. What is the other is asking, consider it as x and find the value of x here. Now 11th one, is subtraction associated in rational numbers? Explain with an example. Already informed you that closure property and commutative and associative does not satisfy the under subtraction. So whatever I gave the information, you have to write in the form of definition and give an example regarding that. Now the 12th solution. 12th bit, second one. X is equal to given minus 13 by 17. So, he is asking to verify minus of minus x is equal to x. You have to verify minus of minus x is equal to x. So, observe here minus of x is become minus 13 by 17. Is equal to minus 13 by 17. Minus of minus into minus plus, it becomes 13 by 17 is equal to minus 13 by 17. Minus into 13 by 17 is minus 13 by 17 is equal to minus 13 by 17. It's verified. Next, right. The first one, the set of numbers which do not have an additive identity. What is an additive identity? You know already additive identity is 0. What is the set of numbers that do not have the additive identity? It's nothing but natural numbers. Why? The natural number starts with 1. That's why the additive identity does not exist in that. The rational number that does not have any reciprocal. So what is the rational number that does not have reciprocal? First of all, you should understand what is meant by reciprocal. Reciprocal means the numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator. So it's the 0 if you consider the 0 as the denominator, the value does not exist. That's why it is the rational number is the 0. Second one. And the reciprocal of a negative rational number also becomes a negative itself. So by this we finish the first exercise, children. Complete the remaining problems and make the fair notes of this and write clearly and legibly. Thank you.